Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, students. Hello. Hi.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello.
Okay. How is everybody today? How are you today? Gimana kabarnya semua?
I'm fine.
Fine.
Very good. Glad to hear that. Okay, students. This is our schedule for compulsory English class. Hari ini adalah jadwal kita bahasa Inggris umum. But before we come to the material, before we come to the topic, let's begin our session by reciting Basmalah together, okay? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, good. Thank you. So students, today our topic is historical recount text. Historical recount text, which is similar with your topic in your elective English class. Materinya mirip dengan yang pernah kalian pelajari di jam bahasa Inggris lintas minat, yaitu biography. Do you still remember? Masih ingat?
Ingat.
Okay, very good. Okay,
Yes.
so historical recount text. The goal of the study is, the learning objectives are, tujuan pembelajarannya adalah, at the end of the learning, by the end of the studying, you are expected to be able to analyze the social function, the generic structure, and the language features. And you are also expected to be able to discover the general and specific information. Kalian diharapkan bisa menganalisis fungsi sosial, struktur teks, unsur kebahasaan, dan juga bisa menemukan informasi umum dan khusus dari teks historical recount. So students, are you ready?
Ready.
Yes.
Yes,
Good.
I'm ready,
Let's
Miss.
get started. Kita mulai ya. So first of all, I'm going to share my PowerPoint to you. Which one do you choose? Which one do you choose? Yuval?
Proclamation of Indonesian Independence.
Okay, good. Thank you. Now let's move to the next screen. Kita lihat tampilan yang berikutnya. Okay, can you see the PowerPoint yet? Yuval?
Yes.
Yes, I see.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, Yuval, now that you have chosen the event, the historical recount text, please try to answer these questions. Coba tolong dijawab dulu pertanyaan ini ya.
Yes.
So you've got 4 questions, ada 4 pertanyaan, silakan dijawab dulu. I give you around 1 to 2 minutes, 1 sampai 2 menit, oke? Okay?
Yes.
Oke.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, Yuval, finish?
Yes, finish, Miss.
Okay, what about question number 1? Have you heard about the
Yes.
details in the events?
Yes.
Very good. Question number 2, what is your impression about the events?
It's so vintage.
Oh, it's so vintage. Apa itu artinya dalam bahasa Indonesia?
Kuno, sudah lawas.
Okay, very good. What would you do if you experience such event? Apa yang kamu lakukan kalau kamu berada dalam peristiwa itu, mengalami peristiwa tersebut?
I feel proud, merasa bangga. I feel
Very
proud.
good. You feel proud. Thank you. Last one. What effect does the event cause for present situation? Apa sih efek dari peristiwa tersebut terhadap kondisi kita saat ini?
Indonesia life free.
Oke, Indonesia hidup
Indonesia life free.
Indonesia live free. Indonesia hidup merdeka. Very good. So Yuval have chosen Proclamation of Independence as the historical recount text. Yuval sudah memilih teks recount teksnya itu tentang proklamasi kemerdekaan Indonesia. So that is our topic for today. Itu topik kita untuk hari ini, yaitu text recount yang membahas tentang historical, yang membahas tentang history. Teks recount yang ada hubungannya dengan peristiwa bersejarah. Great. Next, students, let's take a look. This is the full version of the text, the Proclamations of Indonesian Independence. Now, I want you to read it again for about 2 to 3 minutes. Silakan dibaca teks ini 2 sampai 3 menit. Try to find out the information from the text. Okay, finish? Hello? Have you finished reading it? Sudah selesai?
Yes.
Very good. So, what is the text about? Zulfikar, what is the text about?
The Proclamation of Indonesian Independence.
Very good. Zulfikar, my next question. Do you think it happened in the past or in present time? Do you think it happened in the past or in present time? Menurutmu peristiwa ini terjadinya di masa lampau atau di masa sekarang?
In the past, Miss.
In the past, very good. How do you know? How do you know? How do you know? Bagaimana kok kamu tahu kalau ini terjadinya di masa lampau? How do you know? From the time in the text 1945 gitu ya, 1945 berarti sudah lampau. Very so. What is the social function actually of the historical recount text? You can see the social function is to list and describe past experiences by retelling events in the order in which they happen. Now, how about the generic structure? Struktur teksnya. So, isinya adalah
Penyelesaian masalah.
Okay, very good Zulfikar. Kesimpulan. Now, next. What I want you to do next is please work in pair. You have to read this text about Bandung SC of Fire, and then try to answer the questions. Yuval, please report the result of your discussion. So what are the answer to the questions? Number 1?
Yes.
What is the answer?
Number 1, Bandung, a sea of fire.
Okay, number 2.
Number 2, Tentara Rakyat Indonesia.
Okay.
Number 3,
Number
the
3.
greatest battle happened in Dayeuhkolot.
Very good.
Number
Number 4.
The pot means gudang.
Okay, good. Number 5.
Number 5, Barisan Rakyat Indonesia, the storage, the ammunition, the pot.
Excellent. Now, let's conclude the lesson for today. Sekarang coba kita refleksikan apa yang sudah kalian pelajari hari ini ya. So what is historical recount text, Yuval? What is historical recount text?
Teks yang berisi tentang peristiwa di masa lampau, maupun peristiwa bersejarah, maupun peristiwa dari personal itu sendiri.
Very good. How about the generic structure, Dita? Struktur teksnya diawali oleh apa, Dita? Hello, Dita. Hello. Yuval, maybe you can help? Okay, orientation. And then, Dita? Diikuti oleh?
Series of events.
Very good. Diakhiri oleh?
Diakhiri oleh reorientation.
Excellent.
Reorientation.
Okay, very good students. So, for next week, for next meeting, we are going to learn the language features of the text. Jadi minggu depan, materi kita, topik kita akan pelajari ciri kebahasaan dari historic. Student, let's close this session by reciting hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.